Sometimes you crash. You fail. I mean, that thing that you saw there with us on our head, that's a failure. You see, in bobsledding, let me tell you, you probably don't know this, but in bobsledding, the basic goal is to get from the top of the hill to the bottom, crossing the finish line, right side up. When you do it the way we did it, that's a failure. So, if you're a pusher, you see failure as a springboard for growth. You see, a pusher doesn't see themselves as failure. They see the results that they got as failure. Failure for them is not a reflection of their ability, but really an opportunity, a starting point for them to test new ideas and new strategies. Edison said, I didn't fail. I only found 10,000 ways that it didn't work. Right? So as a pusher, you see failure as a chance to reevaluate your planning, your preparation, and your performance. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you click on that subscribe button and hit that bell. You'll get a notification every time we post a new video. And don't forget, share it with your friends, man. They want to be inspired as well, right? So share it. Don't keep it. And before you go on to the next video, visit my website, www.devonharris.com. Keep on pushing.